Good morning. Happy weekend. Let's eat breakfast. I'm eating breakfast in the room. My head is painful. I have headache. I'm lazy to get up of the room or go out of the room. That's why I'm eating in the bed. As in bed. Oh. Bread noodles and I want to go to the mall to check if there is Zumba, but the problem is I have colds. That's why I have headache because of the hot temperature yesterday. My body is reacting. Anyway, later we have a fellowship meeting. I need to drink Panadol. Very long time I did not drink Intra. That's why my migraine headache is coming back. It's been 1 year already. I did not order Intra. I think this month I need to buy again so that I can drink again. Because if I stop drinking Intra for how many months or for so long, my migraine headache is coming back. That's it, guys. When I drink Intra continuous, I cannot feel the migraine. Also the dysmenorrhea, the sinusitis is not attacking. I can work properly, but every time I have headache, I cannot work properly because my head is like, the other side is so painful and it's like they cut my head into half. The migraine headache. It's hard if we got sick and we're at work. Even we're not feeling well, we need to do our job. Anyway, guys, that's all for now. Have a happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. I hope everyone is always strong and healthy. It's hard to get sick, especially when we don't have family who gonna taking care of us. Bye for now. Bye.